protagonista Greta Gerwig, il regista e sceneggiatore del film Noah Baumbach.
Well, I mean, Delilah's novel is also a satire. It's a satire of academia as well as pop culture, and how academia has.
Okay, here we go. I think it's sort of similar to what Noah is saying. When he started rereading the book, I started rereading the book, and the book has this quality to it.
World of that movie, but in this one, it had a broad scope of options, and so much.
It was really wonderful, and we had so many different, there's so many different environments in the movie too. So we had, Oberlin.
The microphone.
We talked about the love
Red nose, yeah. But I got to see them all transform. I mean, Anne Roth made that, and the sets were that way as well. The colors.